Hey guys, John at Fix a Fence. You know, I know you guys know that it really doesn't happen a lot, but this today, the POTUS, the President of the United States, he came to town, Portland, Oregon, and I just really wanted to put a shout out for my wife. She's been one of 150 people that were picked out of a 30,000 member union to go have breakfast with the POTUS, and not only that, but photo ops. So I thought that was pretty cool. She's been in this union for over 25 years. She's just takes it like it's another day in the office. But my goodness, to me, that's something special. That's my wife, and she got handpicked out of 150 people to go and have breakfast with the POTUS. Anyway, all right, I just wanted to share that with you guys. I'm just kind of like jazzed. I took her there this morning, and I felt sorry. I had to drop her off in front of the frickin' barricade there, and she still had to probably walk. I don't know if they got a ride or what. Still had to walk up to the facility where the guy was going to be at, for breakfast and Q&A or whatever. I don't even know if there's a Q&A, but whatever, hey. Yeah. Anyway, all right, guys, I just wanted to share that with you. My wife got to go eat breakfast with the POTUS today. Was it October 15th, Saturday, here in Portland, Oregon? And I don't know. I know you guys probably don't care about that president, whatever, but I'm not talking about him. I'm talking about my wife. She got handpicked out of 30,000 member union to go and, photo ops or whatever, hobnob with the dude. Pretty cool as far as I'm concerned. So anyway, hey, right on. Keep smiling. Have a great day.